Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah to all my dear brothers and sisters. Great news. We have another Shahada and it's on this video. Thanks to Allah and thanks to you for helping with your generous support. You already know Guidance TV doesn't get money from ads from big businesses, and we don't get money from big government grants or big political parties. We do get our support from big hearts of sponsors just like you. Allah's qadr and your support keeps this dawah going and growing, and our rewards are waiting in the next life. And if you're not already with us, join now. Put your hands together with our hands so we can get even more rewards here in this life and in the hereafter too. Okay, here's another one. Just took Shahada. Enjoy and share with everyone. Taqabbal Allah. Allah accept from all of us. Assalamu alaikum. If you knew He wanted you to do something, would you try your best to do it?
Yes.
All right, then you're already a Muslim. Because that's what the definition of Aslama, the word Muslim comes from Aslama. Aslama means to surrender to God, submit to God, and do what God wants you to do in sincerity and be in peace with God as a result of doing all of that. You're trying your best and you'll be in peace with that. And that's it. That's all anybody could ask, right? And that is what He's asking you to do. If you find that He orders you to do something, even if you don't know what it means or how you do it, but I'm sure He wants me to go for Hajj, I'm going to try my best. Or I'm sure that He wants me to fast for this month of Ramadan. I'll try my best. And if I don't make it, He is the one that's why you see it again and again, most forgiving, most gracious. The ultimate of graciousness, the ultimate of forgiving. Yeah. Just say this after me, if you believe it. Otherwise, don't say it. I swear that there is no God other than Almighty Allah.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. What did you say?
Just say, I swear there is no God other than Allah.
I swear there is no other God besides Allah.
Okay. And do you know who Muhammad is? Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
The prophet.
Yeah.
The last prophet.
Yep. He's not a son of a God, and he's not the only prophet. He told us there's more than 124,000 prophets that came to their people. Yeah, but he is the last prophet. That's what it says in the Quran. So, do you believe that he is a messenger of God?
Yes.
Would you swear to that?
Yes.
Okay, now say this after me in Arabic. You ready?
Yes.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illa
illa
Allah
Allah
wa ashhadu
ashhadu
anna Muhammad
anu Muhammad
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Perfect.